number 9, Bigonya, number 2, Fontanilla, number 5, Pineda, number 6, Magtanong, and number 17, Samuel De Leon. Referees or officials for tonight, it's Jaren J. Ryan. First possession goes to Route 22. Layup by Alain in and out. Rebound ng Tanong. Fontanilla, long two, no good. Rebound for Savigan. For Savigan, pass to AJ. Reverse layup, short rebound Capuno. Put back, no good. Rebound ng Tanong. Pineda from deep, short, rebound, Malbas. Malbas to Galaites. Galaites to Capuno. Capuno corner three. Bang! De Leon against Capuno. Foul is all. Foul is on number 26, 24, Capuno. First personal foul na lane, first team foul on Incar. Three-point shot by Samuel De Leon. High volume, the piece. Galaites to Porsabigan. Porsabigan to Capuno. To Porsabigan. Porsabigan from deep. Too strong. Rebound Capuno. Stolen by Pineda. Forward pass to Fontanilla. For easy two. Five-three in favor of Tempar. Galaites from deep. He gets down. It's going to the line. There's the middle. Foul is on number 2. Fontanilla, first personal foul, first team foul. So Galaites gets fouled from 3. Chance for a 4-point play. Bonus shooter is good for Galaites. 7-5 is the score. 7-5 in favor of Route 22, Salon 2. Pineda to Fontanilla. Fontanilla. 3 seconds inside the key, turnover for Incar. Malbas to the wall for Route 22. To Echanova, looking for a mismatch. Echanova with the ball. To Galaites. Galaites from deep. This time over, block rebound Capuno. Capuno to Malbas. Malbas out to jumper, Manay. In favor of Route 22. Pineda from deep. In and out, rebound ends up in Leon, put back up to the foul. Foul on number 20. Galaites. First personal foul, second team foul. For Route 22, so Leon at the free throw line for 2. First free throw is no good for Leon. One out of 2 for De Leon, splitting his free throws. Six is the score in favor of Route 22. Capuno from deep, no good. Magtanong Sixers to board for Incar. Fontanilla to Pineda. Pineda grabbing baseline for an easy two. Galaites pass is underneath by Fontanilla. But it steps out of bounds. Capuno. Long two. Money for Capuno. Capuno. Back-to-back jumper. De Leon against Porsoviga. De Leon floater. Too strong. Rebound De Leon. Put back level. Rebound De Leon. Stolen and set aside to Chaneva. To Porsoviga. Porsoviga jumper no good. Pineda sa Porsoviga. Pineda. That's the basket. Lefty layup is good. It is cut down to one by Inca. Chanova against Fontanilla. Capuno. Short stop, overshoot, rebound De Leon. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda against the back. The defense of Chanova will go to the free throw line for two. He gets fouled. Foul on number two. Chanova, first personal foul, third team foul. Sean Pineda at the free throw line for Incon. Chance for Incon, tie the ball game, or take the lead. First free throw is good, turn the ball game to 11 apiece. Two out two for Sean Pineda, and he gives the lead to Incon. 12-11. It's the score. Chanova, top of the tray, too strong. Soaring for the rebound is De Leon, recovered by Bidonia. Fontanilla. Pass to Bidonia. Bidonia jumper. Short. Taps by Capuno to Chanova. Forward pass to Malbas. Malbas. Attacking the defense of Magtanong. Deflected. He gets fouled. This goes to the line. Foul number 9. Bidonia. Hands foul on Bidonia. First personal foul. Second team foul. Subject. Bidonia for Cruz. So free throws for Malbas. Chance for Route 22. Tie the ball game and begin the lead. First free throws good for Malbas. We are tied again. 12 apiece. Malbas gives Route 22 back the lead. 13-12. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Fontanilla, corner three. Chanova to Capuno. Capuno to Malbas. Malbas short stop. Money. Deadlock again. 15-0. De Leon. Screen by Magtanong. Turnover for Incon again. And for turnover for Incon. Chanova, direction traffic for Route 22 to Malbas from deep. Moving the ball for Carl Malbas. What's the call for? Foul on number 20, blocking foul on the lighters. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Sideline throw in for Incon at the field. Last 56 seconds in the first quarter. Three-point lead by Route 22. Travel and two. De Leon from deep, short. Seconds differential in the shot clock and game clock. Porsoviga to Malbas. Malbas with the ball. Malbas to AJ. AJ step back three, short. Rebound, Magdalan, recovered by Bagtas. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Kapuno from deep in and out. Rebound, Galay. Galay, put back. He gets fouled. He will go to the line. Foul is on number 18, Cruz. First personal foul, 13 pounds. So the lightest will go to the free throw line for 2 free throws. First free throw is good for the lightest. Two out of two for Mark the lightest. That's the end of the first quarter. 19-15 in favor of Route 22, double and two. Okay, back to ball game. This is week 5, second game. Route 22, traveling tours versus In-Car Autocare. Second quarter possession belongs to In-Car. Okaya sa ball game now. Okaya and Steven Tumauka. Okaya to Bidonia, short on the shot, taps by Marvin to AJ. AJ sees an opening, one shot, rebound, De Leon attacks the basket, layup to good rebound, Lepante. Marvin to Capuno, short stop, Marvin. Seven-point lead now for Route 22 traveling to De Leon. Sizing up Lepante. To Okaya. To Cruz. Cruz to De Leon. De Leon jumper. No good. The lightest secures the board for Route 22. The lightest. Pass to Marvin. Quick pass by the lightest to Marvin Samson. Time out. In-Car Autocare. In-Car calls for a ceasefire. 8 minutes and 37 in the second quarter. De Leon with the ball, is a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 91, illegal screen on Steven Tumauka. First personal foul. First team foul on Steven Tumauka. Capuno from deep, short, rebound and submit, Marvin. Pushing foul on number 91, Steven Tumauka. Second personal foul, second team foul. First 14 for blue shirt. Marvin. No good. Layup by De Leon. De Leon strong into the basket. Short on the layup. Rebound Galaites. Galaites. Looking for a layup. Layup is good for Galaites. Double figure lead now for the blue shirts. 26-15 is the score. Pineda ng 2. Martin by Galaites. Rebound Echanova. Echanova. Behind the back pass to Galaites. Overshoots to Magtanong. Pineda to De Leon. De Leon. Contact on the floor. What's the call, Rick? What's the call, Rick?
Foul on 13.
Number 13, blocking foul on number 13, Litante. First personal foul. First team foul. (26-15) is the score. Put back by the Magtanong, no good, rebound. Echanova. Pass intercepted by Okaya. Sa insist to Magtanong. De Leon. Substitution left. De Leon, corner tray. Short overshoot rebound, Capuno. Capuno ng Zanda. Away by De Leon. Magtanong to De Leon for a easy two. 26-17 is the score. Poked away by De Leon. Possession. Route 22, starting to Corsoviga, Tomatante. Marvin. Hands foul, Mr. Colombo referee. Foul is on. Inca, number 2, Brent Fontanilla. Second personal foul, third team foul. Ref, hang on. 6 players on the floor for... Who's foul? Anthony. Who's foul? Who's foul, ref? Who's foul? Number 6. Who's foul? Number 6, Magtanong. First personal foul on Magtanong, 14 foul on Incon, 1 for penalty. First free throw is good. No good for Marvin, sorry. Still 26-17 is the score. One out of 2 for Marvin Samson. Pineda, strong gun to the basket for an easy 2. Corsoviga, ball recovered by Capuno. Malpas running baseline. Tumitante. Mitante drops it up to Malpas. He gets fouled by Pineda, number 5. He'll go to the line for 2. Penalty for Malpas. Substitution left. The light is for Capuno. First free throw is good for Malpas. Two out of 2 for Malpas. 29-19 is the score. Puntanilla to De Leon. De Leon, floater too strong, rebound Galaites. Galaites, forward pass to Gonzaligan, but the pass is too strong. Puntanilla to Pineda. Pineda, wide open tray, no good. Long rebound, Metante. Metante steals. Johnson up to Malpas. To Metante, 2-point game. 2-point game is good for Metante. Possession stays with Incard. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda sees an opening. Floater is good for Sean Pineda. Metante against Puntanilla. Foul the floor. Hands foul on Incard. Penalty left from the penalty. Who's foul? Foul on number 2, Puntanilla. Third personal foul, penalty. First free throw is good for the Metante. Second one is also good for Metante. That's the end of the first half. Official score 33 for Route 22 Traveling Tours and 21 for Incard. Official score 23-33 in favor of Route 22. We're heading to the second half of our Week 5 second game between Route 22 Traveling Tours and Incard Atakin. Third quarter possession belongs to Route 22 Traveling Tours. Malpas for three is good. Puntanilla, tapat-tapat three, bang! Perserigan to Galaites. Malpas from deep, this time by Lord River Ocaya. De Leon. Gives the ball to Okaya. To Fontanilla. Fontanilla loses the handle. Balbas ang sabi na gusto. Balbas. Attacking the defense of Timoga. Borsavigan. Short step na good. Rebound. Sapuno. Sapuno to Balbas. Balbas to Marvin. Marvin is hard denied. But then it's fouled. Foul is on number 17. De Leon. First personal foul. First team foul. Samson will go to the free throw line for 2. First free throw is good for Samson. (37-26) in favor of Group 22. Two out, 2 for Marvin. De Leon against Sapuno. Okaya. Fontanilla fakes. Fontanilla. What a beauty. Beautiful shot by Fontanilla. Pinoy drive. Pinoy step by Sapuno from deep. Yes, sir. De Leon jumper. No good. Rebound. Samson. Samson gets fouled. Foul. De Leon, second personal foul, 17 foul. Sabra. Number 17, De Leon. So warning for De Leon for delay of the game. Sabra. Okaya for De Leon. Okaya for De Leon.
Boys are gonna run.
Sapuno from deep. Sapuno with the hot hands. Pineda to Cruz. De Leon. He gets fouled. Foul number 26 for Sovigan. First personal foul, first team foul. De Leon will shoot the free throws for Incan. Substitution. Timauga for Magtanong.
Boards up, boards.
First free throw for De Leon is good.
Okay, bounce.
44-29 in favor of Route 22. Two out of Joe for Samuel. Carrying the lead to 14. For Soviga. Jumper. No good. Rebound Balbas. Balbas to Marvin. What a pass. Sweet time by Balbas to Marvin Samuel. Fontanilla. Jumper. No good. Rebound Balbas. Balbas to Samson. Samson. Layup is good. Coast to coast for Samson. Fontanilla to De Leon. De Leon fake. Shot. He gets fouled. He's coming to the line. Extra free throw. Foul is on number 23. Samson. First personal foul. 17 foul. Chance for an end one for De Leon. Next subject. Substitution rep. Free throw is good for De Leon. For Sovigan, for the Tante, 33-44 is 48 is the score. 48-33 in favor of Group 22. 15-point lead for the Blue Shirts. Metante against Fontanilla. Metante to Samson. Samson, reverse right to the basket. No good rebound. Fontanilla. Sorry, missed by Samson. Pineda to De Leon. De Leon to Fontanilla. Wide open play. No good. Rebound Malvas. Malvas, Fontanilla, but there's a foul. Contact. Foul is on number 17, De Leon. That's third personal foul. De Leon, 13 foul. Substitution rep, sub-rep. Bidonia for Cruz. Hechanova for Samson for route 22. Sideline throwing for the blue shirts. 15-point lead for route 22 traveling tour. Malvas posting up, fakes, shot overshoots. Last touch on Fontanilla, according to the referee. Brent played pleading his case. 13 to shoot for route 22 traveling tour. Miltante to Echanova. Echanova from deep, no good. Pineda with the ball, foul is on number 13, Miltante. Second personal foul, 13 foul. 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. The deficit is 15 for Incar Otokeo. Magtanong to Fontanilla. Pineda na, Laris Sedante. To Bidonia. To De Leon. De Leon, under the stone, put away by Metante. Great defense by Metante. Metante says, stay like for the easy two. De Leon to Pineda. Pineda sees an opening. Bothered by Malvas. Now go to the shot. Rebound Malvas. Malvas. Pass to Echanova. Left and layup is good. Turnover. Stolen by Echanova. Now go to the shot. Rebound. Capuno. Put up by Capuno is good. The lead is 21 for the blue shirt. Magtanong na po, shot is short, rebound Malvas. Malvas forward, pass to Metante. Metante fakes to Capuno. Capuno from deep. Bang! What a rally by Route 22 traveling blue. Fontanilla fakes, moves closer. In and out, rebound De Leon, put it back by De Leon is good. The lead is 22 for Route 22 traveling tour. Metante, pass to Echanova. Sweet time but no good. Rebound by Malvas to the putback. Sorry, missed by Echanova. But Malvas is there to save the day. Bidonia pulled away by Capuno. Possession remains or stays with Incar. Fontanilla gets an easy two of an end play. Five-second differential between shot clock and game clock. Echanova na Capuno. Capuno with a left hand. Bang! Capuno with the hitter. Shot clock is off. Basket is good for Samuel De Leon. He gets fouled by number 20. Galaites, third personal foul, warning for tampering.
Tumigil na mag-isip.
Bonus paper is good for De Leon. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our week 5 second game between Inter Ortega and Route 22 traveling to 22-point lead by the Blue Shirts heading to the final quarter. Possession Inter Ortega. Okaya to Pineda. Okaya wide open three. No good. Rebound, Bambas. Echanova with the ball. Pass to Capuno. Capuno, corner three. Bang! What's the call, right? Foul number 2, Quintanilla. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Montanilla, short of the tray, rebound on pass. For Sabigan, tucked away by Pineda, possession stays with Route 22 traveling through. Echanova, guarded by De Leon, to Marvin. Marvin against Montanilla. Traveling the violation made by Marvin. Extra step. Turnover to the Blue Shirts. Montanilla to De Leon for an easy two. But the defense nothing. Timeout left. Timeout. Route 22 traveling tours. This is the first timeout. 8 minutes and 28 seconds. Official score 65 for Route 22 traveling tours and 42 for Incar Automobile. And 32 in the final quarter. For Sabigan, to Echanova. Echanova sees daylight. Left to layup, no good. Rebound. Marvin, put back, no good. Rebound Echanova. Echanova to Maltas. Maltas. Jumper, no good. Rebound, Marvin. Marvin reverse layup, no good. Marvin again for a putback. Rebound, be denied. Montanilla, from back to the basket, blocked and is poked away by Echanova. Shot is short, rebound Malpas. Malpas to Samson. Samson sees daylight for an easy serve. Pineda to Fontanilla, fakes. Shot by Fontanilla, he gets hammered here. Going to the baseline for two, he's fouled by Echanova. Second personal foul, first team foul. Sabrak. Cruz for Magtanong. Fontanilla. Shooting 2 free throws for Inter. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. First free throw is good for Brent. Two out of 2 for Fontanilla. Ball recovered by Echanova. Last touch on the Blue Shirts. Possession in Caravaggio. Great defense for Incar, forcing the turnover. Fontanilla against Capuno. Fontanilla wins the ball. Stolen by Malbas. Malbas. Pass stolen by Magtanong to De Leon. De Leon, that's enough to Fontanilla for an easy serve. Malbas to Marvin. Marvin drives. Reverse layup is good. Foul number 2 on Lenny J. Echanova. Third personal foul, second team foul. De Leon will shoot 2 free throws. Sub rep, sub. Metante for Katono. 2 shots for Samuel De Leon. Our third game for tonight, Swiss Mortgages versus Taxmart Cafe. First free throw for De Leon is off.
Sabtin ako.
No good in the second free throw. Rupan Marvin. Stolen by Pineda. Pineda, one shot. One shot is good for Pineda. Echanova with the ball. Echanova. Recover the ball. Pass to Marvin. Marvin drives. Marvin scores. Montalilla against Mitante. Picks it up to Kaya. Wide open three. Too strong. Rebound Mitante. Mitante. Bounce pass to Balbas for an easy two. De Leon working against Mitante to Fontanilla. Fontanilla from deep. Yes, sir. Basket is good. Substitution left. Bonifacio is good for Brent. And there's a technical foul. 3-pointer is good. And technical foul on Echanova. Third team foul on Route 22. With chance of 4-point play. Technical free throw for Brent and Familia. Technical free throw is good for Brent. Possession, Route 22, traveling 2. Sorry, for Subigan to Samson. Samson from red to the basket for easy 2. Fontanilla from deep, number 3 from the captain. Metante looking for a teammate. Pass to Morales inside for an easy 2. De Leon from deep short. Substitution rep. Okaya for Cruz. The lead is 27 for Route 22. Bounce pass by Metante. De Leon lightest. No good. This foul on the floor. Foul is on Incar. Number 2, Fontanilla. Fontanilla, 5th personal foul, fouled out. Second team foul. That's 5 on Fontanilla. 5, yeah. Brad scored 5 fouls. First free throw for the Lighters is good. 5 fouls in the bench. 5 fouls in the bench.
Akala ko may 6.
5. No, we're not FIBA. Second free throw is good for Brent. We're not NBA. Second free throw is good for the Lightning. De Leon, caught away, stolen by Metante. Metante, highlight to Kaya, was good. Tiumauga with the ball. Pineda, denied by Mother from behind. Steven Malino on the ball to De Leon, corner three, bang! Jonaides, Posabigan from deep, no good Leon Cruz. Cruz to the Stevie Pineda, transition lane is good. Minute and 34 left in the final quarter. Malvas to Marvin. Marvin. No good in the corner three. Rebound to Nova. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Short on the layup. Rebound Marvin. Marvin to Galaites. Galaites from deep. Short. Rebound Galaites. Floater is good for Galaites. De Leon running jumper is good. For Soviga. Strong drive to the basket for a 3-2. Pineda to De Leon. He's a layup from De Leon. To shoot for Savigan. Layup short, rebound Marvin. Stolen by Pineda. Shot clock is off. De Leon, easy two. Last 14 seconds for Savigan. Jumper. No good. Rebound Steven. Stolen by Malvas. No good. Marvin with a putback. That's the end of our second game. 89-63 is the score in favor of Route 22, Traveling Tours. 89-63.
Next scores.
Our third game,